Good morning, Monet gang.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't.
I know it's been a while, but y'all, I have some exciting news. So as y'all can tell by the title, today is move-in day. Hey. Good morning, y'all. Yeah. So today is move-in day. So as y'all can see, my car has a lot of stuff, but also I have way more stuff like in the house, in my parents' house, and like in storage and stuff. So right now I'm about to head off to the leasing office so I can get my key and all of that. I'm really still shy with recording, so I'm not sure if I'm going to record that part for y'all, but I'm gonna definitely show y'all when I get up in there. I don't know if this should just be like a move-in. If this should, yeah, this might have to be the move-in plus empty apartment tour, because I bought all of my stuff, like all of my furniture and stuff. I was not playing, so I wouldn't really have time to do like an empty apartment tour because everything is going to be coming in today and put together today. So anyways, we are headed towards the leasing office, and then from there I'll show you guys my key, and then I'll give y'all like a little tour of the building. I'm so excited, y'all. I manifested this apartment and I got it. Like, thank God and thank, because my dad had to help me. Thank God and thank my dad. Anyways, I'll see y'all when we get to the leasing office. Hey y'all, so we're back, and as y'all can see, I'm in here. We in here. It's real, it's official. So I guess I'm gonna just get into the empty apartment. So I'm gonna just jump right into it, really. I'm not gonna show like my windows and stuff for privacy reasons. I don't want nobody figuring out where I'm at. But anyways, yeah, let's get that started. Here you go, here's my door. Nice, there goes my bad dog, y'all. He's bad. Here's my door. So when you come in from the door, you're faced with this closet, and off to the left is the bathroom, which you'll see connects to my room. So in the closet, it's a nice little storage closet with my bad dog. Come on, Stink. Then you turn this way and you're already at the kitchen. Look at my kitchen. Look at my kitchen. It gives house to me. It gives house. And we have valet trash, which I love. So here we have the stove, an electric stove. I love these stoves. Microwave, nice little microwave. A whole bunch of cabinet space, like I mean a whole bunch. We even have a lazy Susan. What? All these drawers, more cabinets. My sink with the extender, nice big sink. I have a dishwasher, nice dishwasher, fridge, nice big fridge, nice big freezer, and then we have the island again. So I'm going to put some bar stools right there, but that is the kitchen. And here we have the pantry, a nice pantry. My last apartment didn't have a pantry, so this is actually really nice. And like I said, I'm not showing my windows, so I'm gonna go away from the windows to show y'all like my living room area, because I'm not gonna do a dining table or nothing. So this is, I'm gonna try to see if I can get this from this angle. Nice and spacious. And I have a balcony. And then you go into the bedroom. My dog already left me a surprise, y'all, with his bed, so I can't stand him sometimes. But here you go. The bedroom, my bad dog. Focus, there we go. As y'all can see, I'm gonna show y'all exactly where he left the surprise. He peed right there already. Like, can we move in first? Bad self. But yeah, here's this. And then my closet, nice. Okay, focus. Focus. Nice spacious closet. And this is my favorite part. Washer and dryer in the, get out of that. Washer and dryer in the closet. Some more little space. Then it leads into the bathroom. I look crazy, but yeah, leads right into the bathroom. I have his thing that he didn't even use. He's gonna use my carpet instead. Leads right into the bathroom. I'm turning these lights off, y'all, since I pay bills. Come on. It also has storage, so that's nice. Sorry. And then the shower, which is nice as well. Very nice. I love it here. And basically that is it for the unfurnished part of the tour. I will be back when it's furnished, because it's going to be furnished like today. I might not record though, because I know I still got little details that I have to get, but for right now I'll show us moving everything in, like a time lapse type of thing, moving stuff in and putting stuff together. I'm so excited, can y'all tell? But anyways, yeah, I'll see y'all when my friends get here. They're supposed to be here at 12. If they don't come, I promise y'all they cut off. I mean that, cause for real. But anyways, I'll see y'all. Update. It's been hours since I last picked up this camera, and a lot has been done in those hours, like a lot. So basically I'm about to just show y'all what my friends did, because I didn't do much of nothing, really. I didn't really do much of nothing. So I'm gonna just show y'all what my friends and my dad and stuff did. So TV's up. Sarah just put the coffee table up. Couch and stuff up. All of this stuff that y'all see needs to go into the room. By the way, this is the room. I need to set that up. TV's up in here, mounted, perfect. I'm trying to get my Wi-Fi connected. I'm waiting for an agent to call me back. Bryce and Bryce and Sarah put together the bar stools. Look at my little woo woo. Hi, stinking Mia. Then yeah, y'all can't really see the rest of the stuff, but I'm gonna go food shopping tomorrow. My air fryer, my holy grail. I got some glasses, little bit of stuff. Nothing really, you know, nothing much. Yeah. But that's basically the update for real. I love it. I'm so excited. I'm trying to hurry up and get a lot of stuff done before it gets dark. But I love my friends. I love them down. I love them down real bad. Y'all say hi. Hey. I love them down real bad. I don't know. I might crop that part out, because I don't know if y'all got to see the outside. And for privacy reasons, I don't want y'all to see that. So anyways, if I do got to crop that out, they said hey. Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna just show them on camera.
No, wait, hold on.
Let's think about Sarah. Let's think about Brycey. Baby mama was here, but she left. Yeah, but look at the natural light that come in here. Yeah, you see this on camera? The apartment look crazy, but like, oh my god, like I'm really grown.
You been grown.
No, I'm still not grown. I be lying when I say I'm grown. I'm not really grown. I don't like that word. Anyways, actually, I think I'm gonna close this video out right here. I'm gonna close this video. My lips is dry. That's embarrassing. I'm gonna go put some lip gloss on. So I'm closing this video out right here, because it's really nothing else for me to talk about. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all want to see a furnished apartment tour, let me know, and I'll get that. I'll make that happen for y'all. But bye.